Hey everyone, this is Dong. So today I will show you how to reset your password. It's very normal for a customer to forget his password in the daily use. So it's very necessary for us to know how to reset his password of the device. When he log in, he will find that there are several options like new registration, set reset password, and technical login. So if you forgot the password, you can simply click set reset password. It will lead you to the retrieve password interface. So first, you need to click and input the device serial number. So you can see when you input the device serial number, it just automatically get the device registered username and registered email address. So here you can choose to reset your password by email. When you click the get verification code by email, it will automatically send the verification code to your registered email address. And you can log in to your email box and get the verification code. When you get it, you can input it here. And then you can input your new password. You can see if you enter the different password, it will just make the hint to show you that the password the password input is inconsistent. So you need to make sure that the password length is 8 to 20 and should contain the lowercase letters and uppercase letters as well as the digits and special characters as well. When you input all the information, you can just click reset password. Then a new password will be reset for you. You can use it to log in. Thank you.